In this video, I will show you how to manually pair your Samsung soundbar and subwoofer when the automatic connection fails. Usually, setting up a new soundbar is easy because the units should connect automatically once plugged in. You will know they are paired when the blue LED link indicator on the subwoofer stops blinking and glows continuously. However, if that blue light keeps flashing, you need to initiate a manual ID set. While many tutorials suggest using a remote, I am focusing on how to do this directly on the hardware. First, ensure both power cords are securely connected to the back of each device and plugged into a wall outlet. Next, locate the ID set button on the back of your subwoofer. Use a small pointed object to press and hold this button until the standby light turns off and the blue link LED begins to blink rapidly. Now, look at your soundbar. Some models feature a physical ID set button right on the main unit. If yours has this, press it to sync the devices. If your specific model lacks this button and you are forced to use the unit, try holding the volume or source buttons to trigger the ID set message on the display. Once the soundbar display shows ID set, turn the unit on. The blue LED on the subwoofer should now turn solid, confirming a successful link. If you continue to experience audio drops or the light keeps blinking, you may need to check for firmware updates via the SmartThings app to ensure the latest improvements are installed. Thanks for watching our quick troubleshooting guide. If this helped you get your bass back, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.